Jesus at a very early age. Yes, I've known him nearly all of my life. Well, I admit there have been times when I faltered along the way, but I'll keep trying because somehow I've got to make it in. You see, I've got a charge on my life and I've got a job to do, and I can't stop until it's through, 'cause I'm determined. Oh yes I am. I've got a made up mind. I've got a made up mind. I can't stand around here wasting my time. Gonna keep on working for Jesus every day of my life. Yes, Lord. Every day of my life. 'Cause I've got heaven. I've got heaven. Oh yes. On my mind. I don't have time to waste criticizing someone else. There's some things I'd rather leave behind. And another thing, and I don't have time to be bothered of what he said and she said and they said, because it's all I can do to keep my own